Let's go to Orange County now. The first full day of jury deliberations ending without a verdict in the murder trial of a Durham man who's charged with shoving a Home Depot worker as he was shoplifting. 82-year-old Gary Rasor died from his injuries a few weeks later.
The jury first getting that case late Tuesday. Michael Perchik has been in the courtroom following these developments. And Michael, the instructions for the jury giving them a lot to consider, but they have gone home for the day.
That's exactly right, Steve and Lauren. In the past half hour, the jury sending a note to the judge, writing in part, "We have reached a natural break. We would like to recess for the evening." Those deliberations now set to continue tomorrow morning here at the Orange County Courthouse at 9:30. As you mentioned, the charges and jury instructions giving the jurors a lot to consider, namely the first-degree murder, second-degree murder, or involuntary manslaughter considerations, and they carry a wide range of penalties. If the jury finds McMillian guilty of that most serious charge, first-degree murder, that will be life in prison. However, on the other end of the spectrum, if it's involuntary manslaughter, that could be a sentence of just over a year. McMillian also faced a charge of robbery in connection to this case. Now, he did not testify on his own behalf. The defense did not call any witnesses of their own. Jurors have already been called back in twice in response to their questions, one regarding a video from McMillian's ex-girlfriend, which appears to show him acknowledging his involvement in the incident. The second was about Rasor's medical records. Now, there was a shorter lunch break today. There was no afternoon recess as we had seen in previous days since this trial kicked off last week. That in order to give the jury more time to deliberate, but to this point, still no verdict. As I mentioned off the top, they will be back in this courthouse at 9:30 to resume those deliberations. In Hillsborough, I'm Michael Perchik, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.